Hey everyone, today I'm diving into a fascinating topic, how AI is revolutionizing manufacturing. Stick around, because this is going to blow your mind. First off, let's talk about efficiency. Imagine a factory floor with robots and machines working in perfect harmony. AI algorithms optimize these processes, reducing waste and increasing productivity. It's like having a super intelligent project manager who never gets tired. Now, quality control is another game changer. Traditional methods often miss defects, but AI systems use advanced image recognition to spot even the tiniest flaws. This means fewer recalls and higher customer satisfaction. Who wouldn't want that? Predictive maintenance is another huge benefit. By analyzing data from machines, AI can predict when a part is likely to fail. This allows for timely repairs, preventing costly downtime. It's like having a crystal ball for your factory operations. Customization is becoming a big deal too. AI can analyze consumer trends and preferences, enabling manufacturers to create personalized products at scale. Think about custom-fit sneakers or tailored electronics. The possibilities are endless. Let's not forget about safety. AI-driven systems can monitor work environments in real time, detecting potential hazards and ensuring compliance with safety regulations. It's like having an ever-watchful guardian on the shop floor. And here's the kicker. AI doesn't just make things faster and better, it also opens up new avenues for innovation. From smart factories to collaborative robots, the manufacturing landscape is evolving at an unprecedented pace. It's an exciting time to be in tech, so there you have it. AI is not just a buzzword, it's a transformative force in manufacturing. Whether it's efficiency, quality control, predictive maintenance, customization, or safety, AI is making a significant impact. Thanks for tuning in. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tech insights. Until next time, keep exploring, keep innovating. Peace out. Peace.